It's 2025, and if you're thinking about selling your home, you might be wondering, should I renovate first or sell as is? With today's slower real estate market and higher borrowing costs, the answer isn't one size fits all. So, let's break it down. Renovating can make your home more attractive to buyers, helping it sell faster and for a higher price. But not all renovations are worth the cost. In 2025, the updates that add the most value include kitchens and bathrooms. Modern, energy-efficient upgrades attract buyers. Fresh paint and flooring. A simple refresh can make a big impact. Curb appeal improvements. First impressions matter. On the other hand, selling as is could be the smarter move if you need to sell quickly and don't have time for renovations. The cost of fixing up your home outweighs the potential increase in value. You're in a high-demand area where buyers are willing to take on renovations themselves. So, should you renovate or sell as is? The answer depends on your budget, timeline, and local market conditions. If you're unsure, talk to a real estate expert to run the numbers and see which option gives you the best return. What's your strategy? Would you invest in upgrades or sell as is? Let us know in the comments. And if you need expert insights on your home's value and selling strategy, visit lifestylevideos.com for personalized advice. Subscribe now to stay ahead in today's real estate market.